नमस्ते दोस्तों, एक और गुड न्यूज़ के साथ। The Union Cabinet on 15 July 2026 approved rupees 62,500 crore to mobile phone manufacturing scheme, that is MPMS, which will deepen mobile manufacturing in India. Now India is the second largest mobile manufacturer in the world. This scheme accelerates shifting the mobile manufacturing companies to build capacity outside China. The MPMS is a 5-year plan from fiscal 2026 to 27 to fiscal 2030 to 31. Prime Minister Narendra Modi calling it a massive boost to make in India and our electronic manufacturing ecosystem. He also wrote in X that the scheme will scale up production, deepen domestic value addition, strengthen supply chains, and creates a globally competitive ecosystem in India. Over the next few years, the scheme is expected to generate several job opportunities for the youth. What's in your mind? You can like and subscribe for more such videos. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bande Mataram.